Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Courtney Quarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today is a big day. I'm wearing some things on my face that I got from a brand that sent me PR that I've never received from before, and it's kind of a huge moment. So if you want to see all that, please keep watching, and thank you so much for being here. If you're returning, hi bestie, this is really cool. Okay, woo! How am I supposed to process this? How am I supposed to process this? It's PR from Fenty. It's PR from Fenty Beauty! Huh? It's a big old box! It's huge! Yeah! Oh! What the heck? What the heck? What do you mean? Yeah! What? What do you mean? Dude, I can't even hold that up. Oh, look, a pamphlet. Yeah, oh wow, that is stunning. Oh my god, look at Jesus. God, that's pretty. Oh, woo. Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush. I already like the sound of that, first of all. Bold high, ooh. I got distracted. I got distracted by the colors. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cheeks worth clapping for. I know that's right. Why am I gonna start crying? Okay, so there's 8 of them. Blended out like a pro for a a blush brush. Oh, they included shimmer, a highlight, and a contour. Oh my god, a contour stick. Dude, my contour stick is so old and it is on its last leg, so this is perfect. Fenty, oh my god. I don't actually, hold on. Okay, well, let's, I'm gonna try not to cry during this, but I will say one thing. If little me using makeup could see me getting Fenty Beauty PR, that would be really cool. I know it's just PR, and I know it doesn't come without, like, you know, nothing. There's a reason that it was sent to me, but it's just really cool. It's just really, like, a really cool moment. I think I got 4 of the blushes, so I think I'm gonna put some on because all I have on is actually just a really warm bronzer and like contour situation, so this is perfect. Oh my god, that looks stunning. I half expected a mirror here, honestly. Suede, petal poppin', okay, cute. Summertime wine, ooh. Woo, summertime wine? Oh my god. Okay. Water brat, ooh. Woo wee, woo wee. That is shimmery. Obviously, after like the highlight, that's cute. I like, by the way, that the color kind of matches what is inside. This is Drama Class. Oh, look at that up close. That is stunning. Wow. Is there supposed to be a mirror here? Like, I'm kind of surprised that there's not, I guess. Is that just me? Ooh, this is Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. Chic Freak, not Cheek Freak. Oh, ooh, yeah, that's definitely my vibe with highlight. That's cute. Look how pretty. It's upside down, but you get it. There is a mirror in this one. Dude, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this because mine is so old. This is amber, I think. Is this amber? Yes, it's amber. My god, am I excited about this. This cap feels a little loose. I'm kind of nervous about that. My original one, dude, is disgusting, and it's so old. I've had it for a long time. Yeah. Ooh, and here is the brush. I love the shape of blush brushes, or like a typical blush brush, because they usually angle them quite nicely. Ooh, oh, it's skinny. Oh, pretty. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. It's very small, which I do appreciate for like precise application, and I usually put my blush like right in here, so this is actually a lovely size. I'm gonna try Petal Poppin' first because that looks so tasty. I don't know, that just looks so nice. Here it is a little bit close up. That is, it does look suede-like in the pan. Let me see. What is that texture? I have never felt a blush like that in my life, and it is so lightweight. It is so, that does feel like suede, but in the lightest way possible. That is crazy. That goes crazy. What? Okay. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the brush. I'm just gonna kind of just tap in, boop, boop. I don't know how intense this is gonna be. Maybe I'll put a little bit in my palm. Just gonna go in really, really soft. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, it has like a sheenness to it, or maybe my skin's just kind of sweaty. I don't know. That is a good blush. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's the kind of blush I like. Smooth, seamless. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's like a powder blush, but it looks like almost like a cream. Like, you know how sometimes when you put on powder blushes, they just make your skin look kind of dry? That is not the case with this. Ooh, oh, I'm so glad. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Put it under the eye a little bit, kind of go on top of my spikes. I've had my makeup on for quite some time now, but it's gonna kind of tap it over that. Oh my God, that is really pretty too. Ooh, okay. Blush on the nose because I am who I am and it is cute. A little bit underneath, a little bit on top. Ooh, little tiny touch of it on the forehead. Wow, that's incredible how it can be so soft and built up with minimal pressure. Okay. Not gonna lie, I am very pleased with that. I am very impressed. That is not how I thought that was gonna go. The softness is insane. You can see that it's very like diffused on my hand just from like swatching it. Usually with swatches, you can kind of see where you like place the swatch down or something like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm keeping this on top of my vanity and I will be trying the others immediately. Let me know if there's a specific shade that you want to see. I do think I need like a purple look for that purple, but this is definitely like kind of an everyday shade for me. I would be so curious to see what are the other shades. Now I'm like, I think I need to go grab the other ones. Bacon Cakes. Bacon Cakes looks like my kind of a shade, like a very light, like kind of almost like a bronzery tone if you wouldn't know it. Sundress Season also looks very stunning. Lolly Poppy. I need to try Water Brat with a pink look like now. Wow. I think I do. I'm not gonna lie. I will probably get the other neutral shades maybe just to pick up. This feels so nice. How much are these? How much are these blushes? Do we know? Do you tell me prices? Anywhere? I don't think so. I'm gonna look it up right now. Maybe add one to my cart. That texture, I can't get over how soft that feels on my fingers and how it doesn't feel like there's anything on my face. That is a freaking good powder, like compact blush, dude. I wish so bad that there was a mirror in it. 28 bucks? Okay. Honestly, I'm glad that it's not like over 30 because I would have been like, please, that is so, ooh. Okay, so Bacon Cakes is a soft rosy taupe. Say no more. Say no more. Wow, 100% agree. Feels smooth, looks smooth, melts into the skin, feels lightweight. I literally would say that too. That's insane. This is insane. So Cheeks Out was the cream blush that they had. I feel like this gives what I kind of wanted that cream to give. It just feels so soft. This feels so effortless. This actually feels so seamless. Like, I think I sound like a broken record at this point, but whoa, wow. I'm actually very excited to get into all of those shades, and I feel like I'm going to use everything that's in this. One of my issues with like big PR stuff, will I keep the box? Yeah, probably, okay? Sometimes I have an issue with like PR that sends just a lot of unnecessary shades, like unnecessary, or if it's not something that like makes sense, it feels over the top. I am really excited because I do feel like I will wear and use each one of these, especially because I already know that I like the texture and the vibe of it. I am gonna try, let me add on this little highlight actually really quickly. This is cute too. I'm gonna take this random brush. I'm gonna take the, what side is this one? Girl Next Door, and just kind of pop it right here. I was not expecting that. That is very much like a glow from within versus like a glitter kind of highlight. Good God, okay. I barely touched that. Okay. Cute, which I don't highlight my cheeks like that too often, but I do highlight my nose, so let's see what that gives. I'm gonna mix the two. We'll beep, boop, beep, boop, beep. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, yeah. This is staying out on my desk as well. Okay, great. Yay. And I already know I love that contour stick, so this is just win. Fenty, I don't know if you will see this, but I hope that you will. And if you do, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. This is really cool. Thank you so much for these like specific shades. I'm really excited to try everything else out. These blushes are literally so stunning. Suede powder blush. Perfect name for that. It is incredibly lightweight though. I was shocked at. It doesn't feel powdery either. It doesn't feel like dry. Anyway, this is really cool. This is kind of just like a cool moment. I've never gotten anything from Fenty and I've been using them for, God, I don't know how many years at this point, but this is a really cool moment for me. Fenty, again, thank you so much. I don't know if you see this. Wow. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Wow.